Good morning. Welcome back to Garden with Green. This is Misty, and I'm giving you guys an update on my sugar baby watermelons. I have a few that has grown. I have one right here. Got a little baby one hanging right there. Got one right here. One right there. And I have two over here. Right here. This one right here. I just noticed that it was stuck down here in between these boards. I didn't know it was growing down there, but I just pulled it out. I hope I didn't damage it. I had to pull it out from between those boards because I wanted to save it. I'm glad I was able to get it. And I have a little baby right here that I pollinated yesterday. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sugar baby watermelons. I have like 5 plants in here, so hopefully I'm able to get all 7 to grow to a nice size. If not, I'll just sacrifice the smallest one to give the energy to the other ones. I just gave it a good fertilizer and some water. So I'll give you guys an update when they get a little bigger and I'm ready to harvest them. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.